Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am going to do another Super Chewer unboxing with my dog. I don't know if I'll actually be able to get him in the shot. He's currently in training, so he knows he's not supposed to get too crazy. So we are in training. He's been doing really well. He's on day 4 and they say that he's doing remarkable. I'm so proud of him. So I thought as a treat, I would open his BARKBOX. Most people open their BARKBOXes right away. I saved mine for when Ivan's been really good and deserves kind of like some special praise. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's in this month's box. This month, I've already seen pictures and the toys are absolutely adorable. We obviously can smell the treats because we're going a little cuckoo for them. But this month is kind of like a luau theme, which is cute, but it's also February. Like I wouldn't expect a luau theme in February, but that's totally cool. Paradise theme, which I'm totally for that, but I just thought it was kind of a weird thing to have in February, but that's totally cool. In this box, we start off with a taste of paradise. Treat yourself to a drool-worthy cocktail. Here's one for your dog and one for their human companion. That's actually really adorable. So they have recipes on the brochure here. A strawberry pina chulada for the dog and a virgin strawberry pina colada for the human. Why's it gotta be virgin? Shit, make that stuff legit. That actually sounds really good, so I might have to try that with him, except for mine would not be a virgin, just saying. All right, so the pamphlet does show the toys that are in here. It doesn't show the treats, but it does show the toys, which the toys I'm super excited about. I think personally, Ivan's gonna really be excited about them. So let's just get into it. Let's start with the treats because that's like, compared to the toys, that's the lame part. We have a pig ear chew by Sawmill Creek Smokehouse. Pig ear sourced and made in the USA, 100% BARKBOX approved. Ivan really likes these types of things. I didn't think he was going to, but he really does. So this will be for like maybe this weekend because he's been a very good boy at training this week. So I think maybe he'll deserve a little something special. And then we also have a Doggie Biscuit. It's also by Sawmill Creek Smokehouse. 100% pork hide and over 80% protein packed. No filler, no byproducts, no preservatives. All natural, hickory smoked. Just this longer rawhide type thing. He really likes these, so I think he will enjoy this as well. What else do we have? All right, so, ooh, he's gonna really like this one. All right, so this is the Hula Hearts. Super adorable. I mean, I really like where BARKBOX was going with having like a summer type theme because I am over winter. But this is real lamb and bacon, wheat-free, soft and chewy, just little Hula Hearts. A bit of doggy paradise. Be prepared, your dog just might do a little dance once you give them these tasty treats. He's gonna really like this. He eats, food-wise, duck. I try and give him stuff that you don't typically find, like chicken is common, turkey is common, so I give him duck, but I think lamb with some bacon, he's really gonna dig. And then the last bag of treats are the Kinky Treats. They are pineapple pork dog treats. Hi, what do they look like? Oh, they're hard treats. Oh, they're a little crushed up, but he'll still eat them. That's fine. I mean, me. Ingredients: pork, barley, oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. Oats, peas, beans, and barley grow. No? Anyone listen to Raffi when they were little? Apparently my cats did. Kinky Treats, they're pineapple pork treats. These are hard treats, whereas the Hula Hearts were soft treats. He always seems to really like the treats that come with the BARKBOX. The only thing I ever have to be careful on are banana. I think I said once before that apple ones cause him to have diarrhea. It's actually banana, which is weird because I looked it up one time and banana can do one of two things for dogs. It can either constipate them or it can give them the shits. Apparently with my dog, it gives them the shits. So as long as there's no banana in here, we're good. All right, on to the toys because they're the fun part. So this toy I think is gonna really stand up to Ivan's chewing. And it is the Fetchin' Waves surfboard nylon toy. Ooh, and it's chicken flavored. It's a little surfboard. Like look, it even has a little tail. How adorable is this? Ivan's currently resting his head on my leg. Look at this. He is gonna love this. He loves toys like this. The pretzel that he got in one of his boxes is like made of this type of stuff. He loves the pretzel. He really does try to destroy his toys, but he has not been able to with any of the toys he's gotten. The only ones he's been able to somewhat destroy are the ones that are made of rubber, not like these nylon plasticky ones, but like the rubber ones, he can pick at pieces of it and tear it apart, but not destroy the entire thing. So he is really gonna like this. Hey, you want this? Look, he does want the toy, so that's cool. I'm gonna have to, the sticker's kind of staying with it though, that kind of stinks. So I'll have to give it to him in a minute. But let's look at the last toy. Yeah. Let's look at the last toy, handsome. All right, so this is the toy I'm excited about just because it's adorable. So going with the luau theme and the tiki theme are these tough tiki pole chewers. Please look at it. They're little tiki men. Aren't they freaking adorable? Do you put something in them? Super chewer, want more? Yes, it's treat dispensing. Gnaw friendly and tough. So you can actually insert a toy in the bottom here. I was like, please insert a toy, Ma. I've been good dog. I've been through training. I've been good dog. I just think this toy is adorable. You can put a treat in it. I think I'll go ahead and I'm gonna put one of the Tiki Treats in it, see if he likes it. I just think it's an adorable toy. Shove a treat in there. Oh, there's a treat in there, isn't it? Ivan didn't feel like he's dinner tonight. He worked so hard at training today that he's just so exhausted. Yes, he is. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. But that is it for February's BARKBOX. I'll be honest, I was really thinking about canceling his BARKBOX just because I'm like, well, he's got a lot of toys now and he likes the treats, but I don't need to keep getting treats. But I don't know, it's something cute for him to look forward to every month. Can always swap out toys. You can always put away toys so that he doesn't have them all at one time. He really does like the treats. These are wonderful, like as a special thing. So this weekend I'll give him one of these and he can just have it as a special treat. So I'm not gonna cancel his subscription box because he's such a good boy. I'll just have to find that money somehow. Right? You're a good dog. You're a good dog. But that is it for this unboxing of the Super Chewer BARKBOX. Not to be confused with the regular BARKBOX that usually comes with like a stuffed animal that my darling dog here cannot handle because he would eat it within 5 minutes. So, but yeah. If you like this video, you should give it a big ol' thumbs up. The Tiki is a big thumbs up. You should go on down there, hit that subscribe button because Ivan and I both would really appreciate it. Look at this face, yeah. Yes, we would, baby. We would appreciate it. But until next time, bye guys.